初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Why is the elevator so slow?
Why is the elevator so slow?
为什么电梯这么慢？
Why is the elevator so slow?
Why is the elevator so slow?
Please don't stop at every floor.
Please don't stop at every floor.
请不要每层都停。
Please don't stop at every floor.
Please don't stop at every floor.
Oh great, someone just got in.
Oh great, someone just got in.
哦，太好了，有人刚进来。
Oh great, someone just got in.
Oh great, someone just got in.
Do I say hi or not?
Do I say hi or not?
我该不该打招呼？
Do I say hi or not?
Do I say hi or not?
It's too quiet in here.
It's too quiet in here.
这里太安静了。
It's too quiet in here.
It's too quiet in here.
Maybe I should check my phone.
Maybe I should check my phone.
也许我该看看手机。
Maybe I should check my phone.
Maybe I should check my phone.
Wait, no signal again.
Wait, no signal again.
等等，又没信号了。
Wait, no signal again.
Wait, no signal again.
Should I smile or stay serious?
Should I smile or stay serious?
我该微笑还是保持严肃？
Should I smile or stay serious?
Should I smile or stay serious?
Why is eye contact so weird?
Why is eye contact so weird?
为什么眼神接触这么奇怪？
Why is eye contact so weird?
Why is eye contact so weird?
I'll just stare at the numbers.
I'll just stare at the numbers.
我就盯着数字看吧。
I'll just stare at the numbers.
I'll just stare at the numbers.
Why is this ride so long?
Why is this ride so long?
为什么这次乘坐这么长？
Why is this ride so long?
Why is this ride so long?
I can hear my own breathing.
I can hear my own breathing.
我能听到自己的呼吸声。
I can hear my own breathing.
I can hear my own breathing.
Someone just coughed. Awkward.
Someone just coughed. Awkward.
有人咳嗽了。尴尬。
Someone just coughed. Awkward.
Someone just coughed. Awkward.
Please, let this be my floor.
Please, let this be my floor.
拜托，让我到楼层吧。
Please, let this be my floor.
Please, let this be my floor.
Nope, still one more to go.
Nope, still one more to go.
不，还有一层。
Nope, still one more to go.
Nope, still one more to go.
Why is everyone facing forward?
Why is everyone facing forward?
为什么大家都面朝前？
Why is everyone facing forward?
Why is everyone facing forward?
It feels like a social rule.
It feels like a social rule.
感觉像是个社交规则。
It feels like a social rule.
It feels like a social rule.
The doors can't open fast enough.
The doors can't open fast enough.
门开得不够快。
The doors can't open fast enough.
The doors can't open fast enough.
Finally. Fresh air at last.
Finally. Fresh air at last.
终于。新鲜空气。
Finally. Fresh air at last.
Finally. Fresh air at last.
Why do elevators always feel tense?
Why do elevators always feel tense?
为什么电梯总是让人紧张？
Why do elevators always feel tense?
Why do elevators always feel tense?
Maybe I overthink these moments.
Maybe I overthink these moments.
也许我想太多了。
Maybe I overthink these moments.
Maybe I overthink these moments.
Everyone's just minding their business.
Everyone's just minding their business.
大家都只管自己的事。
Everyone's just minding their business.
Everyone's just minding their business.
Still, it feels strangely uncomfortable.
Still, it feels strangely uncomfortable.
尽管如此，还是感觉奇怪的不舒服。
Still, it feels strangely uncomfortable.
Still, it feels strangely uncomfortable.
I should practice small talk someday.
I should practice small talk someday.
我该找时间练习闲聊。
I should practice small talk someday.
I should practice small talk someday.
Nice weather always works, right?
Nice weather always works, right?
天气不错，总是管用，对吧？
Nice weather always works, right?
Nice weather always works, right?
Or maybe just a polite nod.
Or maybe just a polite nod.
或者只是礼貌的点点头。
Or maybe just a polite nod.
Or maybe just a polite nod.
Silence isn't that bad, I guess.
Silence isn't that bad, I guess.
沉默也没那么糟，我想。
Silence isn't that bad, I guess.
Silence isn't that bad, I guess.
At least no one's talking loudly.
At least no one's talking loudly.
至少没人大声说话。
At least no one's talking loudly.
At least no one's talking loudly.
Once, I got stuck inside one.
Once, I got stuck inside one.
有一次，我被困在电梯里。
Once, I got stuck inside one.
Once, I got stuck inside one.
That was truly terrifying, though.
That was truly terrifying, though.
那确实很可怕。
That was truly terrifying, though.
That was truly terrifying, though.
I'll never forget that panic feeling.
I'll never forget that panic feeling.
我永远不会忘记那种恐慌感。
I'll never forget that panic feeling.
I'll never forget that panic feeling.
Since then, I avoid crowded ones.
Since then, I avoid crowded ones.
从那以后，我避开拥挤的电梯。
Since then, I avoid crowded ones.
Since then, I avoid crowded ones.
Elevators are modern-day social tests.
Elevators are modern-day social tests.
电梯是现代社交测试。
Elevators are modern-day social tests.
Elevators are modern-day social tests.
Everyone acts like statues inside.
Everyone acts like statues inside.
大家在电梯里都像雕像一样。
Everyone acts like statues inside.
Everyone acts like statues inside.
It's like an unspoken agreement.
It's like an unspoken agreement.
就像一种心照不宣的约定。
It's like an unspoken agreement.
It's like an unspoken agreement.
No words, no eye contact, nothing.
No words, no eye contact, nothing.
不说话，不眼神接触，什么都没有。
No words, no eye contact, nothing.
No words, no eye contact, nothing.
Maybe next time, I'll break it.
Maybe next time, I'll break it.
也许下次我会打破这个规则。
Maybe next time, I'll break it.
Maybe next time, I'll break it.
A simple hi won't hurt, right?
A simple hi won't hurt, right?
简单说声还不会有事，对吧？
A simple hi won't hurt, right?
A simple hi won't hurt, right?
Who knows, it might start something.
Who knows, it might start something.
谁知道呢？可能会开启什么？
Who knows, it might start something.
Who knows, it might start something.
Or maybe I'll just stay quiet again.
Or maybe I'll just stay quiet again.
或者也许我还是会保持安静。
Or maybe I'll just stay quiet again.
Or maybe I'll just stay quiet again.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。